Hey guys, today my mom bought me marine cookies.
Yay!
And this is a kind of cookie that I always love.
Yeah, me too.
Instead of a single box, we got a double box.
Yeah, fun. Well, maybe we should open up here. Like that. Wow. Give me that. I like that. But I like to cut many of these.
Okay, now let's see. I guess this doesn't have any Doraemon at all. I am going to tear the wrapper.
Yeah, me too.
And let's see what's inside the wrapper. Oh no, my cookies! Let's pick a sea animal. So let's see what animal is that. And we'll tell all of you, the viewers.
I see a crab.
This one's broken.
A crab?
And
What's this?
a whale.
What's this?
It's a squid.
Oh, squid.
Squid Games. A shark.
A starfish. But I
A
don't
jellyfish.
A whale.
Starfish. Why do I keep getting the different sea animals?
I got the seahorse. A whale. A turtle.
A walrus and a crab.
I got a shark.
Why do I keep getting different animals?
Fish. What's this? Look.
Ooh,
What's this? What?
it's a sea urchin.
Oh, sea urchin.
This one's crab.
You want a crab?
Sea urchin. Starfish.
Seahorse.
This one's broken again.
Shark.
I didn't eat it intentionally.
Pufferfish. I mean, this is the pufferfish.
Dolphin. I mean dolphin.
A new. Hey, what's this?
I think it's a shrimp.
Oh, a shrimp.
A normal fish.
A normal fish.
This is an eelfish.
I don't know what.
Eelfish.
Hey, what's this?
It's a dolphin.
No, this is the dolphin.
I guess that's just a dolphin.
A baby dolphin.
Okay, some other
Penguin.
sea urchin.
Crabs. Crab.
Oh well. It's cracked.
Seahorse.
Squiddy, squiddy.
Starfish.
It's cracked. I swear.
Shrimp.
Another one.
Penguin. Starfish.
Fish. Ordinary fish.
Another broken. Starfish.
It's already filling up.
Hey, what's this?
A seahorse.
Seahorse.
Why do I keep getting differently and differently?
A starfish. I have so much starfish now. A penguin. Jellyfish. Let's eat the jellyfish.
A squid.
It's a broken one again. A starfish.
Sea urchin. Some kind of dolphin again.
Hey, penguin again.
Ooh.
I have so much starfish right now.
Wow. Starfish. Say yup. Some more fish. Sea urchin. The most ones I got is the sea urchin.
The most one is I got a starfish.
And a fish. Jellyfish.
Starfish.
Mythical. This hooky guy.
Fish.
This.
What? A new one. What is it, brother?
I don't know. I'll put it here.
Crabs.
No.
A lot.
Yeah, me too.
Again? Firework. I mean shrimp. Hanging. What's the stars here?
A shark. Mythical.
A penguin.
Sea walrus.
Ah! What's the sea ocean?
Can you see it? Sea walrus. No, sea walrus.
Dolphin.
Oh, there it is.
Hey, you have one dolphin. I have so many.
Never mind.
Baby dolphin. Jellyfish. I only have one jellyfish.
A squiddy bitty licky.
See my boy. A hippo. A hen. Let me lick. What is it? A whale.
Seahorse. Why do I have so many sea
Seahorse.
urchins?
Yeah, me too. Sea oceans. Ho. I only have one total. Now I have two. I got too much. A starfish.
I got too much fish. Sea urchin.
Shrimp. Turtle.
A whale. A whale. Mom, are your hands tired? Yeah. You can put it down now. Once I'm done. Oh,
That's the pufferfish.
I guess this is a common one.
No. Penguin. That's the penguin.
Another penguin. Still not done. Why do I keep finding penguins?
One normal fish.
No,
That's this mine?
Oh.
I only got two pufferfish. I mean one puppy head. Hey, the jellyfish. That? Right? I'll put it here. And me too. A normal fish. I mean this. Wow. Seahorse. This again.
Okay.
Sao mà sao sao? Đến lượt em không kia. Thế nào? Không có ăn.
No. I need some more yellow fat. I'm almost done. Fish. Yeah. I'm done. We can eat it.
Now, we're going to count the sea animals. Make sure that it's yours or mine. We will count the weird thingy fish first.
Okay.
I only got one.
I only got 3.
Now, shrimps.
6. I got 6.
I got 6 too. The shrimps were like sea urchins.
Yeah, sea oceans. What? Oh, yeah.
I counted it.
6. 6. 6. You're what? You're taller than me, and you're what?
12.
12. But mine is way, look. Now,
Starfish.
starfish.
I got
11, 12.
what? Turtles. I only got one.
I'm 6. And here's 1.
Now, sea walruses. And I only got 3 of them.
11, 12, and 13.
Now whales. And I only got 3 of them.
Look at my whale.
What? Oh man, it looks like you're having a big meal.
No, this is the baby whale. Don't
Now,
count. as a
jellyfish.
jellyfish.
And I only got 5 of them.
I only got 2.
Rồi, tiếp.
Now, these squids.
Okay.
11.
6.
Now the dolphins.
Dolphins?
And I have 3.
Where's dolphin? Where's the dolphin?
No. That's the baby whale. Look, well, there's a dolphin.
I got 2. And you got what?
3. Crabs.
Crabs? You only got that?
Sorry, Mommy.
I mean, I got 14 weird fish.
Hey, here's your 1 fish back. Now, these baby dolphins. And I have 4.
I have 2.
Now, next is the ordinary fishes.
It's
12.
7, 8, 9.
I got 12.
I'm closer to you. Oh, maybe that's yours.
Seahorses. And I only got 3.
I got 4.
And now 4 penguins. And that's all of my meal.
Hey, I forgot to do the pufferfish. Where's the pufferfish?
That's just an ordinary fish.
I'll eat it.
What did
What?
you say?
Fly fish. What about the penguins?
I got 4. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And now we're going to enjoy the meal.
Yeah, let's eat.
And now this is the end of the video.
Bye.